Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and today I've got a massive bundle of over 300 gigabytes of free, yes, absolutely free audio sound effects, and it's by Sonniss.com, and they're trusted by Disney, Universal, Bethesda, Warner Brothers, CJ Projekt Red, and they've got a massive library of millions of audio sound effects. Now, they've been creating GDC free bundles since 2015, and here they've got their 2023 bundle, which is a collection of over 900 different sound effects. So you can navigate to this page, and I'll put the link in the description, which is the Sonniss.com GDC 2023 pack, and it's got all the links whether you want to download them from the mirrors or a torrent website, and you can check out the PDF for this 2023 bundle with over 900 different audio effects which you can use. And I did feature a piece of software called Sound Explorer which can manage all of your audio in one place, and it's absolutely awesome. You can also check out their licensing page to check out any information that you might be worried about when it comes to using these sounds, and also I'll put a link to their GDC sort of main page which can show you all the links to 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 2022 with all the links available for you to download with the track lists and all the licenses. Hundreds and hundreds of gigabytes of awesome audio. And do be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 185 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Do be sure to check out all the links in the description for all the best sales, savings and everything you can find in game dev, and be sure to check out all my great assets on the Unity store and on my website for massive savings. So a big thank you to all my patrons.